Okay, back for a quick video. Recently I stopped by King Island for a bunch of reasons, and along the way I stopped in with another YouTuber called the Aussie Bush Cop. I've been following his videos quite a bit in the process of doing research for my landing on King Island. He actually did invite me to come and stop in for a little bit, so I thought I'd oblige, and he's quite a nice bloke to get along with, and I thought I'd present a few clips and just a quick little walk around that I had with him. Didn't have too much time, only had about half an hour, but yeah, it's there may be potentially more videos in the future. Anyway, let's go have a look at these clips. Right, so I managed to stop in with the Aussie Bush Cop. So I've got the Aussie repair guy, the Aussie Bush Cop, and he's been kind enough to show me around his vintage vehicles. Stop in for a bit of a chat. You should stop in and check out his channel. I'll stick a link in as well, and hopefully we can learn a bit more. It's all good.
Not sure where they are, but they'll come.
Yeah. Oh look, when you get around with Land Rovers with those Isuzu diesels in them, they all think they're tractors. Oh. And the cows come flying up every time you drive past.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
Don't know what you're doing.
Come on! Come on!
Yeah. No, you don't like me. It's all good. I won't spook you. Yeah. He's all good. No, they spotted me a mile off. I saw the body language before. They're a bit wary of me. There you are. What's up? You alright for me? I know, I'm a bit different, aren't I? Smell different? Yeah. No, I smell different. We're all good. Yeah, I have with this. This is almost fisheye lens. I'll get the whole lot. Yep.
She's half half.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah.
No, I've had hands on the purebred Highlands before.
Yeah.
They're nice cattle. It's good for beef too.
Oh, they're good eating.
Yeah, they're pretty hard to cook a Highland steak wrong.
Good. Good. Wow.
The Maramas are fun. It's all good. I'm not sure if I'd lose a hand to these guys or not. They look pretty friendly. My wife would jump in there and play with them all day.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is how I actually worked out that I was wrong with my coordinates.
Yeah, right.
So I use this as the marker.
Yeah, when actually the outside of it, that looks original, but that wasn't like it. That wasn't how they were built.
Yeah.
That was actually all open. Where most of those red windows are.
Yeah.
That was all open.
Yeah.
That's where you park your truck and your tractor.
I'm familiar with that. It's the American barn style thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we had a builder come up the road there. There was one of these barns being pulled down. So we went and snapped up the timber and had a builder come in and put those windows. That's why it looks completely original.
Yeah, that's it's not. I was wondering about that actually.
Yeah, yeah. And then
So-
we had another builder come in and put a floor in. And,
How you going? Yeah.
this part here, I actually
good.
used to keep the Holden in here.
Yeah.
That's why I added this little bit on, because the Holden
Yeah.
didn't quite fit in here. I had to add that little bit on there to make it fit.
So we had our garage extended for the Land Rovers.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Well, the Ambo doesn't fit. It's about 3 metres tall, so
Oh, yeah.
it's got a 2.5 ton ambulance pod on the back.
Oh.
That's our camper now.
Man, it must be heavy. Aussie bush cop.
So
that
that's a
wall
familiar
wasn't
set.
there, and this floor wasn't here, and
Yeah, no, it's definitely a nice addition.
yeah,
It's actually quite cosy in here now.
Yeah, my wife makes soap.
And I noticed all the pressed tins from or pressed tin from the oil cans up
Yeah,
there.
no, that's from an old pub up in New South Wales.
Okay.
My wife got it. We bought it with us, and and the builder put that up there for us.
It's definitely it's a nice touch.
Yeah,
It's a little bit shades of the boathouse actually.
yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah.
We stopped in there the other day, and yeah, my mother definitely she wants to go back.
Yeah, it's a beautiful spot.
So,
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
fantastic spot.
I'm thinking after all this, I'm probably going to fly out to the island again one day soon. So
Yeah, yeah,
it'll be all good.
nice. Yeah, well, it'll be. If you have more time next time.